Hi, everyone. My name is Dr. Preetu Dalaria. I am the Director for Immunization Technical Support Unit, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. So our role is to support Government of India on every aspect of immunization. Currently in India, if you see, we target almost 27 million birth cohort and 30 million pregnant female. And during this pandemic period, in India, the initial lockdown has really disrupted the all, health facilities, and especially the immunization program was affected during the month of April. So in India, we are holding almost 1 million session every month. And during this lockdown period, that was during the month of April, it was like 70% of the immunization session, which are basically planned in outreach, were totally affected. I mean, they were like not holding any outreach session during that month. The only session which were planned and was holding during that period was facility based, and that is to with a very low turnout of beneficiaries because of the non-availability of the transport and because of the lockdown situation. So it affected really bad. After that, Government of India has released a kind of a guideline and making the immunization program as declaring it as essential health services. Government of India requested all the states to resume on the outreach sessions. So being a technical support to Government of India, we opted a three-pronged strategy. First is that we started downloading the data from the government portal. We have two government portals for reporting the administrative coverage. One is the HMS and the other is the RCH portals. So usually we download this data on the monthly basis, but we started downloading this data on the weekly basis. And then looking at the data, which shows where it was affected more, how many sessions were planned, which is the most affected district or area, and analyzing the data. And then we were talking every week to the state immunization officers, sharing the information, the data with them, and talking to them about the bottlenecks, the problem they were facing, try to help them as much as we can. And the third was that basically the guidelines which were issued by government, we try to simplify those guidelines, and we develop a lot of SBC material, and also the FAQ, which really help the health workers to understand the situation and how to basically conduct these immunization session, keeping all the social distancing and other protection norms which were there. So this was the kind of a strategy which was opted by us. So during the resumption of routine immunization services in India, people were struggling, especially the health worker was struggling how to follow the norms, basically like social distancing norms, and how to protect themselves and how to build the confidence among the people. So a lot of innovations were opted by many states, like giving tokens to the families, and so that they are called in by numbers to the immunization session, and that's to avoid basically crowding. And there was a system of other challenges which basically state governments were facing, was non-availability of the human resource, especially on the containment zones. So there was a government has kind of a plan for hiring of additional vaccinators, and organizing additional sessions to make sure that the sessions are held in those area, and to make sure that the children who are missed, they started following up the children's basically from house to house to make sure that they are enlisted. There was also, solution offered by the national government and state governments, basically how to strengthen the immunization system. So to strengthen the immunization system, basically during this period, they started tracking the sessions to make sure that session planned, what's a session held are organized, and the various data platform, the monitoring system which is there is strengthened to make sure that we do all possible efforts to address the bottlenecks for the program. I invite you to join our upcoming panel discussion, which is will be held on September 24th. Please submit any question that you have about cold chain management or other element of routine immunization when you register, to ensure that the session is as engaging as possible. I hope to see you there. Thank you.